How progressive was spousal support in ancient Jewish texts? Imagine a time when laws about marriage and support were written thousands of years ago. How did those ancient rules treat women and their rights after a marriage ended? Let's find out. In ancient Jewish texts, spousal support was not just a suggestion but a formal obligation. The husband was expected to provide for his wife's needs, especially if they divorced or separated. This was seen as a moral duty, and rabbinic courts could enforce it. If a woman was divorced, she was entitled to receive maintenance from her husband's estate or income. This shows that support was legally recognized long ago. Marriage in Judaism was more than just a social contract. It was a serious covenant, often written down in a document called a Ketubah. This marriage contract included specific provisions for the wife's support if the marriage ended or her husband died. This was quite advanced for its time because many other ancient cultures did not protect women after divorce. The texts also show that husbands were expected to keep supporting their wives even after divorce. They could not withdraw support or leave their ex-wives in hardship. If a wife faced financial trouble because her husband was absent or neglectful, she could seek legal help to get support. This shows a concern for women's ongoing well-being. Women's work within the household was also recognized. Women contributed through textile work and caring for children, and these roles were indirectly protected by the support system. The laws made sure women were not left destitute after divorce or widowhood. Looking at this from today's view, these ancient rules aim to protect women's financial independence and dignity. They set a foundation for ongoing discussions about women's rights in Jewish law. While they were not equal to modern standards, these provisions were quite progressive for their time. They helped ensure women had rights and protections, which was a big step forward. Today, the Ketubah still plays a role in securing women's rights in Jewish marriages. The idea of fair spousal support remains important in Jewish family law. These ancient texts show that even thousands of years ago, there was a concern for women's financial security and respect in family life.